Why does the path get lonelier as you rise? Because growth often requires letting go. Think failure is a setback. Actually, it's a sign you're moving forward. And if you keep holding on to the wrong people, you may lose yourself in the process. To owe life lessons to learn once, remember forever one. Life is like an elevator. As you rise, you'll have to stop and let some people off. Not everyone is meant to go all the way with you. Growth means separation, and it's okay to. If you're never falling, maybe you're not really moving. Stumbles aren't failures. They're proof you're challenging your limits. Comfort is a trap. Discomfort brings expansion. 3. Don't ruin a good today by obsessing over a bad yesterday. The past is done. You can't rewrite it. But the present, that's still in your hands. Let go and move forward. 4. If someone treats you like an option, walk away like a decision. Your worth isn't up for debate. Leave with self-respect. You owe no one your presence. 5. Don't react. Pull back in silence. There's power in restraint. Your silence can draw clearer lines than words ever will. 6. Some people are like clouds. When they disappear, it's a beautiful day. Letting go isn't loss, it's clarity. It's peace. 7. Many people love you. Don't waste your energy on those who don't. Attention is energy. Give it to those who see you, really see you. 8. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. You can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize your health, mental, physical, and emotional. 9. If you're a giver, learn to set boundaries, because takers never do. Boundaries protect your generosity from turning into depletion. 10. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Freedom isn't free, it's earned through sacrifice. Choose long-term fulfillment over short-term comfort. That's how you build a life that lasts. 11. No matter how respectful you are, some people will still talk behind your back. That's not a reflection of you, it's a reflection of them. Integrity is internal. Let your character speak louder than their gossip. 12. Your past is a place to learn from, not a place to live in. Treat it as a map, not a prison. Reflect, grow, and keep moving. You don't belong to yesterday. 13. Sometimes your circle shrinks in size but grows in value. It's not about having many people. It's about having the right ones who bring peace. 14. Do yourself a favor, get financially stable. Money doesn't buy meaning, but it buys options. Life gets easier with money, not just with time. Build wisely. 15. Always know the difference between what you're receiving and what you actually deserve. Settling is a quiet form of self-abandonment. Raise your standards. Own your worth. 16. The value of time becomes clear when it's gone. Every minute wasted is a choice you can't undo. Use time wisely. It's your most limited currency. 17. It's a slow process, but quitting won't speed it up. Patience is power. Stay the course, even when no one is watching. 18. Bad times are gifts in disguise. They sharpen your vision. They wake you up. Pain doesn't blind you. It helps you see what truly matters. 19. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what they've been through. Comparison steals your presence. Stay focused on your own path. 20. What comes easy won't last. What lasts won't come easy. Real value is earned, not stumbled upon. Fight for what's worth keeping. Life doesn't wait until you're ready. It moves forward with or without your permission, and each day you live without learning, without growing, is a day you're missing out on yourself. These life lessons aren't meant to scare or sadden you. They're here to remind you that you can begin again, raise your standards, and build a better life, starting now. Let go of people who no longer belong in your story. Value time as the one asset you'll never get back, and learn to love yourself the way you always hoped someone else would. Life won't always be easy, but with discipline, clarity, and forward motion, you'll be amazed at what's waiting on the other side. If you made it this far, I believe you're not just looking for motivation, you're seeking real transformation. And that doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from small steps repeated daily. from facing your past, letting go and lifting yourself higher. So, stop living for what others expect. Start living by the standards you set for yourself. And live in a way that lets you say at the end, I stayed true to who I am. If this video spoke to you, don't hesitate to share it, drop a comment, or save it for the days you feel lost. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.